Tired of Wise sending your verification code to the wrong place? Maybe you keep getting a text message when you really want to use your authenticator app. It's frustrating, I know. But you don't have to just put up with it. You can change your default verification method in about 30 seconds, and I'm going to walk you through exactly where to look. All right, so here's the plan. I'll show you the exact clicks inside your Wise account settings to switch that default two-step verification method to whatever works best for you. Let's start by logging into your Wise account on the web. Once you're in, look up to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon. It might be your initials or a small picture. Go ahead and click that. This is where all your personal account controls live, so it's a good spot to get familiar with. Now, a menu should have dropped down. From that list, you want to find and click on Security and Privacy. It's usually near the bottom. This is the central hub for everything related to keeping your account safe, which is exactly where we need to be to change how you verify your logins. Once you're on that security page, take a look at the options available. You'll see a section labeled Two-Step Verification. Click on that. This opens up the details about your current setup and all the methods that are available to you. And here's the part you've been waiting for. In the two-step verification section, you should see a button or a link that says Edit Default. It's right next to the method that's currently active. Click that. This is the key that unlocks your ability to choose which method Wise asks you for first. Now you'll see a list of all the verification methods you've got set up. This might include your authenticator app, a text message, a security key, or a backup code. Just select whichever one you prefer to use as your primary method. I usually recommend the authenticator app because it's more secure and doesn't rely on your phone signal, but the choice is totally yours. So you've selected your new preferred method. Now, just make sure you're happy with your choice, and then click the blue button that says Update Default Method. That's it. The change is saved instantly. The next time you log in or need to verify a transfer, Wise will use the method you just picked. And just like that, you've taken full control of your account security. No more waiting for a text message you didn't want. You now know exactly where to go to make this change, and you can switch it back anytime if your preferences change. That was pretty quick, right? Thanks for sticking with me, and happy banking!